Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making a pin loom. So here I'm showing you guys the pattern. I printed out a few patterns and it showed two bigger ones and I had to make it smaller. So what I did was I counted the numbers of dots for each section, which was the same kind of all the way around depending on each one bigger or smaller. It just kind of would get bigger or smaller as you went, but same pattern. And this is the wood panel that I used. It's actually from the Dollar Tree, so it was like $1.50. So this project's very budget friendly. I also used this mallet you see here. It was also from the Dollar Tree, so $1.50. And then I went to another store and these brad nails were only $1. And then I had this marker, so this project in total probably costs like $4, but if you already have a hammer then you don't need all that other stuff. So I ended up printing out a pattern and then I had to make it smaller, so I used the graph paper that I had printed on, and then I cut out the smaller one and I used the brad nails and started nailing it down to the wood frame there. But it was hard to do. I was doing it on my bed and it was hard to do, so I got my dad to help me and he took it outside and did it there on a flat surface, and it was easier with a hammer. So you don't have to use a wood mallet, you can also use a hammer. So here I'm trying to hammer it down. I think if you hammer down each corner first, then it might be easier. I don't know what my dad did, if he did each corner first or if he just kind of went around clockwise. But yeah, so this is just me trying to hammer it down. I did end up giving up and just letting my dad do it. So yeah, but it is kind of jagged, but for a budget-friendly loom, I think it will work. And I did see on another channel they used a book, so if you guys, it's like on a YouTube channel called Craft Sanity, so definitely check that out. And then here is just what the end product looked like when my dad was finishing. It is definitely jagged and there was some cracks in it, but just for some use, just for crafting, it should work just fine. Thanks for watching, guys. Please make sure to subscribe.